Use Fullscript to share your current supplement details with your practitioner so they can create the best possible plan without needing to complete lengthy forms or bring bottles to your appointment. In this video, we'll cover the current supplements feature, which includes how to add and share the supplements you're currently taking and where to manage current supplements in your profile. Easily let your practitioner know what supplements you're currently taking so they can optimize your plan for better care. If you received an email or unique URL from Fullscript or your practitioner, click on the link to log in or create a Fullscript account. You'll then be prompted to start uploading current supplements. To add your supplement details, search and add all the supplements you're taking, whether you ordered them from Fullscript or not. This way, your practitioner can create a holistic plan. If you have an iOS mobile device, be sure to download the Fullscript app. You can use the barcode scanner to add the supplements you're currently taking. When you sign into your account, under Plans you'll see any new or historical plans sent by your practitioner, and you can place orders here. To view current supplements provided to your practitioner, under My Health, select the Current Supplements tab. Here, you can select Add Supplement to search a database of over 80,000 supplement products and capture what you're currently taking, even if they're not from Fullscript. View the supplements you're currently taking or have added previously, or update your dosages and frequencies to keep your practitioner informed. And if you'd like, archive what you're no longer taking.